The Adria Twin 640 SGX offers flexibility between rear storage and sleeping arrangements. The electric rear bed is operated by two switches, one located in a living area and the other at the rear of the vehicle. Simply press the button downward, which will lower the rear bed. The retaining straps keep the bed level until it reaches its sleeping position. Reverse the operation to raise the bed to enable maximum storage. The third bed cost option creates an additional sleeping area at the front of the vehicle. This can easily be converted by simply lowering the dinette table, attaching the third bed makeup panelling and inserting the additional cushions supplied with this option.